Toyota's new Corolla hatch is better than it's been in decades, and now the Europeans get it even better with the Parisian debut of the Toyota Corolla Touring Sports Hybrid. Now, the wagon is longer overall than the hatchback that we get, freeing up around 21 cubic feet of storage space, around 3.5 more than the hatchback. Also, it's a bit longer with its 106-inch wheelbase, which is 2 inches longer than the Corolla hatch, which also frees up space for more legroom on the second row. Always a good thing. Now, back home in the States, our Corolla rolls with a single option 2-liter engine, but here in Europe, they've got a wide choice of engines ranging from a 1.2-liter turbo to this 2-liter hybrid that puts out 188 horsepower. So there's a little bit of something for everyone, unless you're an enthusiast, but we've got the 86 for that, so we're fine. Now, this bad boy isn't bound for the US market, but it probably should be. So I'll tell you what, Toyota, slap a slightly taller suspension on this, call it a crossover, and you'll have a worthy competitor to Volkswagen's Golf All-Track. I'll expect my great idea check in the mail. So be sure to check out theroadshow.com for even more details about the Toyota Corolla Touring Sports and the rest of our coverage of the 2018 Paris Auto Show.